Did you know that pre-trials can simplify issues and speed up cases? This is why it's one of the important steps in the legal system. For civil cases, nangyayari ito within 60 days mula sa last pleading. Pwede ng oral o written ang agreements. Kailangan din ng pre-trial brief at dapat i-file at least 3 days before pre-trial. For criminal cases, ito naman ay ginagawa within 10 to 30 days pagkatapos magkaroon ng jurisdiction ang korte. Pero tandaan, lahat ng agreements dito ay dapat nakasulat at pirmado ng accused at ng kanyang counsel. Kung hindi ito pwedeng gamitin laban sa kanya. Kapag nag-skip ng pre-trial, may mabigat na consequences. Sa civil cases, pwedeng madismisan ang plaintiff. At kung defendant ang absent, pwedeng mag-proceed ang plaintiff ex parte. Sa criminal cases naman, ang mga lawyers o prosecutors ang pinaparusahan. Ayan ang pre-trial for civil and criminal cases. The key to a faster, clearer, and fairer path to justice.